Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Themes section. Following that, choose Themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the loop at the top right one. Finally, type in wherever you wish to, like neon. Then just click on the best theme for you, tap on download button and log in to your Samsung account. Then click on apply. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you need to access main screen of Galaxy Themes and tap on menu at the bottom right corner. Then tap on My Stuff next to Wish List, tap on your default theme and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!